Hello, welcome to Made Easy Resources. In our discussion today, we are going to still talk about our school result management software, Made Easy. So we are going to discuss how to upload marks today. We are going to discuss how to upload marks using Excel, and we're also going to discuss how to record marks manually. So let's get started. This is an Excel sheet for English language. That's JS2. You can see the rest here, the list of the folder containing JS2 mark scores. You can see there are subjects: basic technology, basic science, creative arts, and so on and so forth. But we are using English as an example this time. So the English master enters his continuous assessment, 3 continuous assessments and exam. If it is 2, you just put the 2. The software will notice. In the report card, you make the assessment to be 2. So this one should be blank, or maybe the cat C will be blank. So they are taking 2 assessments. Or if it is only 1, then this one we know it will be blank. So this one will go. So now, when each of the teachers fill his scores like this, or her scores, so he submits to the computer room. So before they fill it, the system normally generates the template in this format. You see how the headings are. But if they can prepare the template by themselves, it's too simple. But why the system will do it for them is because the system will also carry the list of all the students and the correct registration number, because this software does not tolerate conflict with a registration number. So it is always better for the software to generate the template for them. So when they get it, they fill the scores and submit. So after scoring, what the computer personnel will do now is to upload it. It comes to school, see the school menu here, goes to upload marks from Excel. That's school result management, upload marks from Excel. So it opens. So you now select the academic year, let's say 2021-2022. Select the term, maybe third term. Select class JS1A, JS1A, and then select the subject. Let's say English language. What is English language? You see it. Then you browse and look for the English language. Look at it, double click it. It picks the English language. Look at it here. You see, so you click upload file. If it is not English language that it picked, it will complain. For instance, now let's check it. Assuming now it takes maybe French language. It takes French language. Let's upload and see what it will say. You are about to upload English language, but you remember it's French language you put here. If you click here again, it said sorry, the subject selected is different from the subject in your Excel sheet. You see it? So you click off, then you select the correct one. That's English language. So it is very, very strict. It doesn't tolerate any error. So you cannot upload a subject with the name of another subject, or upload an Excel file that has 2 registration numbers of this, or similar registration number, that's conflict registration number, or uploading a subject twice. It will not allow it. So if you now click yes, it will now automatically grade the scores, add them. See the total here has added and graded, but it has ranked them but has not graded. So he said marks are now displayed. System will now validate marks. It's going to validate the marks to ensure everything is in order, to check that the total mark is not more than 100%, to ensure that there is no admission number that conflict with each other here, and to ensure that everything is normal. So that is what it's going to do now. It is validating. It's validating. Now you say looking good. Say your Excel file is okay. You are uploading with the following details. You say academic year you are using is this. Term is third term. Class, yes, one, a subject, English language. You say confirm now. If you click yes now, it will begin to upload. You click, it's uploading now. It's uploading, it uploads. It said marks uploaded successfully. Do you want to print subject matter sheet? That is the master sheet now, which when you finish it, you can now give to the form master and then save maybe you print it in duplicate, give one to the form master as a confirmation he has submitted his own, and then file one in the school academics. So you click yes to generate it. So look at the full result here. You see the grade, you see the position, you see the total, you see the ones that have failed, they failed. See F. You see. So you can see the summary here, all of them. So this is how it is. So you can print it out. If you click print, it start to look for printer. You send it to the printer, it will print, or you export it. It depends. If you export it, you can. It has a lot of options. You can even export it on Word document. You can export on CSV, on Excel, and so on. So this is how reports are uploaded. So in our we are going to, the next step we are going to take now is, since we have uploaded this now, let us try to upload it the second time and see whether it will pick it. So we close, but meanwhile we can now check status of how many subjects we have uploaded for that class, so that we will be able to know those who have not submitted their own marks, or who have not uploaded their own. You see, so if you click view, you see we have English language and maths uploaded. Other subjects have not been uploaded. You see it. So let us attempt to upload English language again. Let's attempt to upload English language again. You see whether it will take it. Then you now will upload. It has displayed, then you validate. It's checking. It says, sorry, this subject has already been uploaded. Please contact the administrator if you wish, if you need assistance. It has refreshed the page. It removed it. So you can, by viewing this, you'll be able to know the number you have uploaded. You see it? Is it? So this is exactly how it is. Now, in an event where the teacher discovered maybe he did not enter a particular mark correctly, then what happens? So what will happen is that the teacher has to contact the director, who will give him permission to amend that mark. If the director permits him to amend the mark, then what he does now is he comes with the approval. Then, assuming it is maybe the same English language, maybe a particular person was not corrected with. So what will happen is he will come, you go to view, edit, delete marks. Come here. Now you find that particular subject, third term. Make sure it is that particular term. Then English language. You view. So you ask the person, where is it? You say maybe that this person got 10 instead of 8 or something like that. So what you do is, you can actually amend it here. You can amend it here by this line here now. If you double click, double click to this. If you double click here, it will drop. Then you ask him which mark. You can make, if this is the 10, you click 10 and then you add to list. You add. After that, you now upload the mark back. It's uploading. It will reposition again and correct the thing. You see, it has corrected it and now generates a new master sheet. This is the first option. The next option you can also take is, if you list it again, if you list it, why is that English? This. Then you view, you can delete all marks here. Gone. If you look for the English again, you view, nothing is there again. So what you do now is you go and look for the this thing. You can go back to this, then go and look for the Excel sheet. You go and look for the Excel sheet. Maybe the Excel sheet is here. You maybe just English language. So the person now corrects it. Maybe you say it's this person that he got 10. After that, you save it. After saving it, you now call the page again. You now upload it back. This is just demonstration. You see, as you have deleted it, if you check here now, you see that it's only mathematics that we left there. Let's see for the third term. Okay. You see that it's only mathematics now. So you now upload back the English. You browse and look for the English language. You now upload. It will repeat everything it has done before. Looking good. You upload. It has uploaded. You can now print the master sheet again. Then after that, if you view this again, you see that you have to again. The same thing applicable. You can maybe upload another one, basic science. Let's just do another one, basic science. Okay, let us do as maybe a basic subject that the total will be maybe more than 100. Let's see what the software will do. So like this one, it has been edited so that some of them will be more than 100, which is not correct. So let's upload them. You can see that some of them, the total is more than 100 here, 125, which is not good. It should not be score. Score is under 100%. So let's click. It said marks are now displayed. System will now validate marks. Do you wish to proceed? You will now begin to validate all these marks you sent. You click. You say one or more total marks are not within range. Total marks beyond 100. Check your Excel file. Check your Excel file. Page will refresh. If you click it, you clean. So if you correct it, you can come back, then upload it successfully. Upload it successfully. Basic science. You get the correct basic science uploaded. Click here. Then it has validated everything. So you can now go ahead. Uploaded. Now it will prepare the testing. So in general, it is very, very important to ensure that when you are uploading marks, you do not tamper with the admission numbers. You do not do like, for instance, now let us maybe give this person. Let me save this admission number somewhere. We just somebody carelessly, maybe we carelessly gave number 2 the admission number of number 2. Now number 1, maybe same number 1 has the same admission number with number 5. You see it? They have the same admission number in agric science. Just somebody made this mistake. So let's see what will happen. We save it. Let us upload. Let's upload agric. So we select agric science, and then this is agric science here. Then we upload. Okay. Then we click to validate. It's admission number GS. This is 0471. Is registered to more than one student in your Excel file. Please check your Excel file. Page will refresh. It will refresh immediately. Now, if you correct it, assuming now you now maybe give this person wrong admission number now. Let's see whether it will pick it now, because the admission number, they are not the same now. Let's see whether it will see this one, because this is not exactly the admission number of this person. So let us see what will happen now. We upload again. Let's upload again. Agric science. You validate. So admission number this assigned to Izuma, this was not found in the school register. So it's trying to tell you that you gave a wrong admission number to the person. So it is strict, very, very strict. Any admission number it takes, it goes to the total school register in the database and ensure that it's that person's admission number before it begins to upload. So that at the end, if a report card is prepared, there will be no blame from anybody. It will be perfect as required. So exactly this is what the software does. It checks and validates everything and makes sure that everything is in order before it takes any mark and uploads. So the next one we are going to do now is to record marks manually. Then after that, that will be the end of our discussion today. So you are welcome. Let's go to the main menu again. We close this. We go to the main menu. We go to result manage. Say post marks manually. You see it? It's just the same interface with the old one. If you look at this now, assuming now we just check what you have uploaded so far for the first term, just one. You see that is the same thing, basic science and this. Now, assuming you want to now upload another subject, but this time around is record marks manually. This one you will see browse here. So this time we use manual record, third term, and then this, and then we which one we say okay, let's say creative and CCA, creative and communication arts. I think creative and communication arts, or what do we CCA, which one now do you want? Do we use, okay, we can use ICT. Okay, let's use ICT, information communication technology. Now you click view, it will give you exactly the template of the scores of the, so you start to enter for those who are doing that course. But this particular manual record is very, very effective if you are on local area network in the school, so that if the school has a local, either wireless or wired, in the staff room you have 1 or 2 or 3 systems where even teachers can sit and begin to upload directly to the server wherever the server is in the school. If you have more systems, anybody who finish marking may not even worry to go and start using Excel to write anything in Excel. They can begin to enter their own there. So also those who are uploading from Excel on the server or through the network again will do, so that time will be saved. So assuming now the ICT, few people are doing it. Maybe say this one for test, the person got 3, he got 6 here, he got maybe 7 here. Then in examination he got 35. Then you see it has added. Then he got, maybe this one got 6 here, 9, 5, say 44. Okay, this person does not do it. This one has 2 here, has 8, has 9, has 55. This one here has 4, 4, 4, 5, 8, 46, 7, 7, 5, 43, 6, 9, 6, 8, 5, 37. You know, as you are adding, it's totaling. So you see, but it has not ranked, it has not graded. So let's see what will happen now. Assuming now it's just these few people that are doing this thing. So this is the way teachers who wish to enter their own marks manually will do. They just log on the system, on the network, or directly on the server and enter it. When they are through, what they do now is they clean these records that those who did not participate. You see it? Clear for non-participants. For instance, now if somebody maybe did first test, did second test, and then did maybe did his exam, then he did not do this, the software will not clean this particular one. So after that, once the software will clean is all this. For instance, now if we try to upload right now, it will complain, say remove non-participants, use clean button to remove them. You see it? So what we do now is we click clean. You see it has cleaned some of them, it's still remaining. You clean again, you see it's still remaining. You clean again and clean again, and all of them are clean. So these are the few people that are doing the ICT. So now you can upload. Click upload. Click yes. You see it has positioned them. You see it? Marks are now displayed. You see it has positioned them. So it follows the same procedure again. You click yes. It will say looking good. Then you click yes. It uploads. Then it produces the master sheet. You see it? See the master sheet, just the same thing with the Excel upload. Then you can export or you print. This is how it is done. So if you click here now to view, you see that ICT has also come in. So the person who is in the server room will be, viewing those who have submitted their own. Those who have not submitted, he will call them and say, I have not seen your subject here for this your class. You have to ensure you do it quickly. This helps to save time. So this is actually the simple way for uploading from Excel and also recording manually. So in our next discussion, we are going to discuss how to build results. That is when all the marks have been uploaded, how results are built. It doesn't take time. That is the beauty of this. As soon as the last teacher uploads his own marks, the whole result of the school will be ready after 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, they will go down and collect both the summary sheet, the report card, and everything for stamping. Thank you very much.